Why are there not more people talking about AI? Artificial intelligence isn't just evolving, it's redefining everything. 2025 is set to be the biggest year for AI yet, with tools that can completely transform how we work, create, and live. Want to know which AI tools are leading the charge? Keep watching, because in the next few minutes, I'm revealing the top 5 AI tools for 2025, and trust me, the last one will blow your mind. First up, we have NeuralFrame, a game changer for content creators and marketers. Imagine generating an entire video, complete with edits, transitions, and animations, with just a few clicks. NeuralFrame can create professional-level videos in minutes using nothing more than text prompts. Whether you're a YouTuber, a business owner, or just someone who loves creating content, NeuralFrame takes the guesswork out of video production. No more hours spent in post-production. This AI tool does it all for you. For all the developers out there, Codex AI is the ultimate sidekick. This AI can write, debug, and optimize code in almost any programming language. Need to build an app? Codex can write the foundation. Stuck on a bug? Codex identifies the error in seconds and suggests fixes. And here's the best part. It's constantly learning from every piece of code it writes. In 2025, coding won't just be for experts anymore. With Codex AI, anyone can become a developer. No advanced degree required. Next up is Synthesia 3.0, and it's bringing a whole new meaning to virtual presence. This tool allows you to create ultra-realistic AI avatars that can speak, present, or even conduct meetings for you. Whether you need a spokesperson for your brand or a multilingual presenter for your webinars, Synthesia delivers stunningly lifelike avatars, customized to your needs. The best part? These avatars can now mimic human emotions and voice inflections, making them more relatable than ever before. Imagine a world where AI avatars can replace live presenters. 2025 is making that a reality. Science and research are about to get a major upgrade with DeepMind Helix. This AI-powered tool is designed to accelerate scientific discovery by processing data at an unimaginable speed, whether it's identifying new medical treatments, solving climate change problems, or innovating in engineering. DeepMind Helix analyzes massive data sets and provides insights that would take humans decades to uncover. With Helix, researchers can now focus on asking the right questions, while the AI does the heavy lifting, helping to solve some of the world's most complex problems. And finally, at number 5, we have MetaMind, your AI personal assistant on steroids. MetaMind goes beyond simple task management. It learns your habits, optimizes your daily routines, and even predicts what you need before you know it yourself. Whether it's scheduling, organizing your emails, or planning your entire week, MetaMind does it all without breaking a sweat. By 2025, MetaMind will become more than just a tool. It will be like having a personal life coach, assistant, and productivity expert all in one. It's not just about managing tasks anymore, it's about maximizing potential. So there you have it. The top 5 AI tools that are set to dominate 2025. Whether you're looking to boost creativity, productivity, or innovation, these tools are leading the charge. The future isn't just coming, it's already here. And if you want to stay ahead, these AI tools are your gateway. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights into the future of AI and technology. Subscribe for more AI updates.